Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? Thanks for watching. Super excited to talk to you guys today about something that my coaching program clients have done that I am just over the moon about. Today, September 8th, 2022, 9 months into 2022, and my coaching clients have successfully eclipsed $50 million in purchase sales, which I am just absolutely ecstatic about. And I'm going to get into how we did that here soon. But you think about it, on average, the properties we're buying in my coaching program between $40,000 and $70,000. Now, of course, there's plenty of outliers there, but $50 million in total sales, guys. Absolutely insane. If you've been thinking about the coaching program and that's not a reason to get in, I mean, we're doing it. My clients are doing it. People that have no experience prior in real estate are getting into this thing, and we've purchased over $50 million worth of real estate in just 9 months, just 2022. And that's in 17 different markets across the U.S. So I'm so excited. Now, how did we get there? How are my coaching clients having so much success? And I think that's one of the most important aspects of what we do. How do you find success? What is success? Well, first, it starts with the most important part of real estate investing and something that the successful do and that the unsuccessful don't do. What is that? It's pretty simple. You need to invest in yourself. You need to invest in knowledge. You need to invest in information. And when I say invest in information, it's time to take the leap. It's time for you to get in the coaching program. Because watching the YouTube videos is great. And listening to Bigger Pockets and the podcasts and the forums and the TikToks and the YouTubes and the Instagrams, it's fine, right? I mean, it's a good baseline, but it's not gonna get you to where you need to go. It can help here and there, but you need to actually do it. You need to invest in yourself. And you're only going to learn so much by reading books and listening to podcasts and watching videos. And don't get me wrong, it's a fantastic place to start. But in order to actually have success in this business, you need to do it with somebody that's done it hundreds and hundreds of times. And the reason that my coaching clients are so successful, why they're actually getting up and doing it, which I've talked about in previous videos. And not only are they doing it, but they're having success doing it. We're doing so much, and when you think about it, if you do it right the first time, you're going to keep doing it over and over again. So my plea to you today is you're on this video right now for a reason, because you're interested in Section 8, you're interested in real estate, whether it's Section 8, non-Section 8, multifamily, Airbnb, I don't care what it is. You're here for a reason. You're hungry for knowledge. You're hungry to increase the quality of your life. You're hungry to stop that 9-to-5 job that's dragging you down and making you miserable, where you can't spend time with your family, or you want to go do fun things, but you can't because you're bogged down to a commitment in a job that you hate. So here's what I'm telling you to do. Take the leap. Invest in yourself. Shoot me an email in the link below. We'll get you guys up and running. We'll get you started. There are so many ways to do this. It's not cookie cutter. Real estate's not a cookie cutter thing. And retirement isn't 12 months away, but it could be a couple of years away. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to get this thing going. Stop sitting around. Get off your rear ends. Get this thing up and running. Shoot me an email. Get in the coaching program. Let's go. If you're watching this right now and you're in the program and your hard-earned money and hard-earned time have gone in to the 50 million that we've purchased so far, you need to pat yourself on the back, because that's absolutely amazing. I couldn't be more happy for you. And you're one of the reasons that we're going to take this program from 50 million in purchasing this year to 150 million next year to 500 million the year after that. Okay? It's an honor to work with you guys. I'm just blown away. I'm so proud of so many of you, and I want that feeling for so many more, because there's so much real estate out there that is sitting there that can be purchased and used as an investment vehicle for your futures. So let's get this thing started. Stop waiting around. Stop making excuses. Let's go.